Homeowners looking to save energy and money are turning to geothermal technology to heat and cool their homes. Geothermal is the most energy-efficient, environmentally clean, and cost-effective system for temperature control available. A geothermal or ground source heat pump is powered by electricity. It uses the natural and constant temperature of the earth to heat and cool your home. Sealed pipes are buried near your home utilizing one of three methods depending on the site conditions: vertical loop, pond loop, or horizontal loop installation. In the winter, heat from the earth is delivered to the heart of your geothermal system, where it's compressed to a higher temperature and sent as warm air throughout your home. In the summer, the system reverses itself. The liquid in the pipe circulates in the loop, drawing the warm air from inside your home back into the cooler earth below. We're experts in geothermal technology, and we can install one for you. Ask us about the federal stimulus energy tax incentive, where homeowners can be reimbursed 30% of the cost of a geothermal system. Geothermal technology, harnessing the energy of the earth, saving you energy dollars.